Hey everyone, welcome to assessment 4 of 329, and this is where you will learn how to operate a petty cash system. The purpose of a petty cash system is to facilitate the purchase or payment and recording individual items that are kind of too small to require the drawing of a check. And so there are 3 steps to the petty cash system, which you would have identified in the first part of your assessment. So the first step of petty cash is to establish the petty cash fund. The second part is to record and analyze your petty cash expenditure, or in other words, how much you've spent. Then the last step is to balance your petty cash and then turning that into a reimbursement check. So going back to step 1, which is establishing your petty cash fund, we were given a check for $200. So in our petty cash journal here, the 1st of July, we were given a check. The check number was 528. There is no voucher number, a receipt for $200. Okay, so just looking over here at our transaction list, on the 2nd of July, we went to Foodtown and we bought coffee and milk for the amount of $7.60. Now we have to transfer that information into our petty cash journal. So on the 2nd of July, Foodtown, coffee and milk, our voucher number, which you will find in your assessment. So we're going to skip the receipt column and then go straight into our payment column. So we know that we spent $7.60, so we put that in our payment column. Now we need to work out the GST. It's given us a clue here, but in Excel you could do this. So equal, click here on your payments of $7.60, times that by 3 and dividing that by 23. Okay, now we kind of need to figure out what column Foodtown, coffee and milk fall under. So there's stationery, then there's the staff refreshments, the postage and sundry. Okay, so if you don't know what sundry is basically a miscellaneous column, so it's in no relation to any of these 3 here. So the obvious choice for coffee and milk would fall under staff refreshment. Okay, so what we do is we do click on here, equal, click on our payment and divide, taking away 99 cents or our GST, and we enter, we get given $6.61. So the process is pretty much the same, taking all of our transactions from here and converting it into our petty cash journal here. Now if we look over here, I've got total. Okay, the total amount of how much I will spend will come in here. Okay, so basically the total here will become your reimbursement check. Okay, now if you want to try and find a balance, your balance is basically your 200 take away your total amount, which then equals your balance. So this here is what's left in the petty cash box. Okay, so remember, your total will then become your reimbursement check. Okay, and your balance is basically your receipt minus your total, which then becomes the balance. So whatever is left over in your petty cash box. Okay, so give it a go, guys. If you get stuck, come back to this video to help you out. Otherwise, you can just put your hand up and ask for me. Cool, good luck. Bye.